4 things she do, thinking she's wise, not knowing that he knows, but he just expecting her to change. Is waiting for you to change. Number 1, hiding your screensaver or screenshot, or hiding when you are answering call. You go into hiding when you want to answer call. Number 2, when you are angry, when he asks you question like, where are you? Can I see it? You know, say I'm out. You know, say okay, or you say I'm at home. You know, say, oh yeah, take a picture and send to me. Or you say, oh, can I see your camera? I say no. Number three, when you keep saying it's like a brother to me, he's like a brother to me. Meanwhile, he calls you in the midnight, calls you in the morning, he calls you early in the morning to say, I want to say, and then you say it's like a brother to me. He knows, oh, your boyfriend, your man friend, your man knows. Number 4, which is the final, is when you give short answers, especially when you know you are doing the do. What do I mean by that? He asks you, where are you? Where did you go? Out. That's it.